I made a 3D version of YouTube with my home game engine recently, and I know I can do better. So today we'll add more features to it, like an entire hub, I don't know what the f this is, and more. And talking about more, something that is very stupid and that I never noticed is that the real app, not the preview one, is entirely broken. Yeah, I mean, I never tested, so we don't do that here apparently. But fixing it brought another issue. Loading the app is very... so we need to switch it off. So I started my investigation to find a way to hook me in the loading process, and I found out that there was no quick fix available, so I had to patch something up directly in the engine. So I've come up with a flag that tells me when the app is ready, and from this I've added a new widget that shows a loader based on that flag. Whoops, sorry for that. That's how we test things over here. But at least there's no flickering anymore. So I think we can say it works. I just replaced my big boy red background with this loader and it looks better. I'm not sure if that fits YouTube style though, but if anyone here would like to propose any ideas, I would be very happy to hear them or read them, because there are comments. Yeah. Anyway, that's a big yes. But during that test, I've noticed that the fact I lose all the videos I add each time I reload the page is very annoying. So it might be the time to fix that. And just like that, when you click on the save button, it actually saves it. So I think it's time to take a well-deserved break and watch a nice video. Oh no, I've completely forgotten this bug. So I took a little time to fix it, and when I was testing the other rooms, this happened. Jeez, it's so long. I feel like I'm walking forever. So I jumped right into Blender to make some sketches to fix that. The goal here will be, instead of displaying each room one after the other, I will place them side by side just like that. Whoops. After a certain amount of time that I will totally keep for myself because it was so long, I was able to manage it correctly. For the moment, there are some metal details to clean up, like the entire wall missing right here when the number of rooms is odd, and the number of columns that are not displayed as often as I would like, but we'll see that later, because for now, I very want to start working on the hub. So I reopened Blender and started working directly in my cinema project. The hub will be the place where you will spawn. So as the first impression is the most important thing, I need it to be impressively big. Something that will be nice is having a huge door opening when you're done selecting your video. So I made a little animation, my first one ever in Blender, yay! Then exported it into my project and surprisingly it went well. I mean, for a first animation, it's pretty sick. How do we stop that now? Alright, now it stops so I can check a video. Come on, let's go! Alright, now it works so I can check a video. Come on! Dude, what the f are you doing here? And... yes! So I've added a bunch of Ryan Trahan videos, and when it works, the result is very nice. When I showed this to my girlfriend, she found it very nice, and she asked me if I could add some contours, some carpets, some lights, some screens, popcorn machine, a waiting lines, the entire wall. Well, I guess I have some work now. So I won't do all the things she lists me, but I think I can do some of them, starting with the counter. I was not sure what I was doing at this time, nor where I was, nor who I was. But quickly I figured it out and finished with a goddamn result. During that time, I also added the YouTube logo on the door, which is very sick. And also this. I'm not telling you anything about it, but you'll discover it pretty soon. Ah, geez, we have a problem. So I started investigating. I removed all the lights to make sure it does not come from the corridor. The problem is that the light passes through the walls. I could try to generate shadows, but since I already tried this strategy without success, I tried some other things without success. So it's time for some improvisation. And ta-da! That's the best I could have been able to do so far. When I was working on it, I thought it could be nice to have the thumbnails of the 6 first videos at the top, like a real cinema. I also placed the lights in such a way to not illuminate the cinema rooms, since the lights pass through the walls, as I mentioned earlier. We can see the reflection on the material through the walls though, but I guess I'll have to deal with it. So with that done, it's time to add the thumbnails. Damn it. Okay, so I could just have fixed the issue, but it's simpler if I just remove it. That's That's how I fix my problems in life. Just remove them. What am I saying? But since I just deleted something, I needed to replace it with something else. So please, ladies and gentlemen, say welcome to Granny. Do you remember this? Well, I made this an elevator, so now when you spawn in a hole. That was weird. And get elevated by an elevator, which is pretty cool. But what will be even cooler is that the door only opens when you have some video set up. And here's the result. With my last video, you were incredibly supportive and boost my subscriber count by more than 3 times. If you watched to the end, I hope you enjoyed the video. If it's the case, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps my channel. So thanks for watching, and I see you in the next one.